Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can save Instagram Reels videos. So let's go to Instagram first. After going to Instagram, you need to click on the three dot icon of the top right corner. That video you want to download. Click on the three dot icon. After clicking on the three dot icon, you can see link option. Click on link option. By clicking on the link option, you can see the link is copied. Now you need to go to Google. Here you need to write Instagram video downloader. Search for Instagram video downloader. Here you can see Snap Insta option, the very first one. Go to Snap Insta website. Here you can see paste URL Instagram search bar. You need to press it down for a half a second and you can see paste option. Click on paste. After clicking on paste, you can see download option. Click on download. Guys, this is free, so you may need to see some ads. Let's close it. Here you can see download video. Click on download video. Guys, here you can see your video is downloading. Guys, here you can see the video is downloaded. This is how you can download Instagram Reels videos. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.